Okay, so a really quick video to show you how to make your tutorials, links, and event available to all of your students. So if you see, you can see that I have already done it, but let's just go through what needs to be done. So I would start on the Monday or the Thursday, wherever your next tutorial is. So theoretically, actually, that would be here. So Monday the 29th at 10:10 is our next tutorial. So I'm going to open up the one that I've already created and just show you what needs to be done. So I just put it on my calendar, my personal calendar. I create it and I put in a repeat. You hit custom on the repeating. I put in a repeat of every Monday and Thursday, and I have it end on May 28th. So it repeats Mondays and Thursdays, and it keeps going until May 28th. I give it a name that will be recognizable to my students when it's in a group of many different tutorials. So you need to put your name on there. So write tutorial, because they'll have a list of many on their calendar. And it goes March 29th from 10:10 to 11:10. Okay. Add your meeting, whether it's your Zoom or your Google Meet, whatever it is, add all of that. And so that's how you make the event. So now the next thing you got to do is you got to put all your students in there. Because it's different than a Google Classroom kind of thing, what you want to do is come over here to Aries and go get a list of all of your students. And the way you do that is you hit send emails here under teacher miscellaneous, send emails, and then add recipients here. We're not actually sending an email, but this is kind of a backdoor to go get the emails of all of your students. So from this one, I then click my students, and it gives me all of my students in all of my classes. And so I just simply click add all, and then okay. So that takes me to this screen where I would theoretically be able to send an email. And you can see in here are the emails of all of my students. So what I then do is I click inside of here and I do Control A, which selects all of those emails. And then I do Control C or copy. You can also do right click, which will do copy, right? Copy and Control C. So I've now copied all of those emails into the computer's clipboard. I'm going to come in here and I just click here and I hit Control Paste or right click and paste. And it puts all of those addresses in there. And then that way they're all invited. So that's how you do this. I'm not going to hit, then you would hit save. I'm not going to hit save now because as you can see, I've already done that. So that's how you create the tutorial so that all of your students, whether they had your classes last quarter or this quarter, will be able to see it.